I was just filming a Awesome Makeup Finds Faves and Fails, or Trash or Treasure or whatever, and I had a bunch of splashes of crap on my hands, and it was not cute. It was getting all over my fingers. But the funny thing is one of the faves was this. This is Lime Crimes, like the plushies. Where is it? These plushies. I have this in the shade, I think it's Chocolate Milk. Yeah, Chocolate Milk. I literally just washed and scrubbed my hand, and it look, it's not patchy, it's not nothing. It dries down. I have it on my lips right now. It dries down, it doesn't move. So if you want something, when it goes on though, it's like a gel and it's super comfortable. Then when it dries down, it locks into place. So if you want something like that, I think these were like $6 or $7 at TJ Maxx and Marshalls. So maybe you want to try them. Enough with the unrelated content. Okay, we are doing, what are we doing? We are doing, wig updates. We're doing wig updates, and we are starting, we're doing Janet Collection today. And I'm starting off with Janet Collection's Skylar. And this is the 100% human hair, like mix, not human hair. Like it's not even mix. It's like it mimics human hair. It's quality synthetic. And I have her in the color OET 4/613. I have toned this wig. So I love the yucky texture of this wig. She reminds me a lot of a wig that I have from It's a Wig, Lace Trudy. You can find her in the It's a Wig playlist. Very comfortable. Gorgeous, gorgeous number 4 root. I love this wig. I don't particularly like wigs this length. But you can shift her too, I really feel like, because the ear tabs end a little bit, at least on my head. So you can shift her. Oh, look how cute that is. She is sort of stacked in the back, and I don't like wigs that have this curl pattern that are stacked, because I feel like it just never sits right in the back. But if you like that style, like I love this style, and you could really train this with a round brush. It's trainable. And you can kind of get the curl pattern that you like. Lace Trudy is so similar. It's just not stacked up in the back. So if you like the style but you don't like the stack, you might want to try It's a Wig Lace Trudy. It's the same texture and everything. Other than that, not getting a ton of tangling. I actually did process her. I toned her, and then I also washed her, and I still feel like she is in shape just like I just bought her. So I really feel this is going to be a long-lasting, durable wig. It's just not my style, so I'm going to let it go. But if this is your style and you really love this coloring and you really want something that is going to last, you know, wearing on a regular basis, I do think Skylar would be a great choice for you. So that's how I feel about Skylar. Next up, I have Noel. And she is in the color Daisy, and you can see she's super long, and you see it's dark here and dark here, so it's like number 4, 30, number 4 again. I wore her a lot, so much that I'm like, she needs to be washed. I really love this wig. Beautiful yucky texture. The coloring on this is just stunning. If you really want just like a sexy big situation, this is definitely her. She does need to be trimmed, but like I said, I've worn her a lot. I like her in a ponytail. She's like my ponytail wig, because look how cute the ponytail is. She needs to be washed, but I think this is a great wig. She's comfortable. I'm not getting a lot of shedding. The texture is beautiful. This is definitely a wig that I would suggest. I just need to take her off because she smells, and I need to wash her. So that's actually a good sign, because that means I wore her so much that I need to wash her. And yeah, that's how I feel about Noel. She's a keeper. So I just recorded this, and I actually didn't record it because I didn't push record. Oh, and last but not least, we have Chelsea. She's a 4x4 parting. I originally had her in a 613, but I custom dyed this one. I did tone her. So this is really what the color looks like, if you can see the difference there. This is sort of what it would look like if you just tone the 613. It would just be all this. But I added in the ashiness and the gray on the top because I really wanted some dimension. This wig is so beautiful. She really is giving me, like, it's a yucky texture, but it's more like a natural curly texture. She's very long, so yeah, she's gonna tangle, but she's not gonna tangle as much if you're not like messing with her. Like once I put a wig where I want it, I don't mess with it a lot. And I love that you can sort of train the curls and it could be this like really tight situation, or you can sort of piece them out and just have this like sexy, big, billowy hair. I really love that. And I think I did at least 2 processes on this wig, if not 3. And I feel like the fibers are still intact. I'm not getting a ton of shedding. And I like that it's very long. It is 24 inches. I like that. But I also like that because with this curl pattern, you could really cut it up to like here even. And it would still be a gorgeous length. And as it gets ratty towards the bottom, you can just cut them up. I feel the same way with like Free Trust Equals Valentino. I have just like cut that up. So now it's the cutest bob ever. So, and it just makes your wig last, and it, you know, it kind of gives some versatility to the wig. So I absolutely suggest this wig if you haven't tried her. So yeah, that's my updates for Janet Collection wigs. If there's some wig updates that aren't up yet that you'd like to see, please put them down below. If there's some Janet Collection wigs that you want to see reviewed, put that down below as well. If you haven't subscribed, please do so. And if you have, thank you so much. I'll see you in my next video. Bye!